Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Cash App login problems, phone and email errors step by step clearly. Check that your phone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your connection. Close Cash App completely and reopen it to clear a temporary login glitch. Update Cash App from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Restart your phone to reset background services that can block verification codes. On the login screen, choose Sign In and select the correct method, phone or email. If you use phone login, confirm you are entering the full number with the correct country code. Remove any spaces, dashes, or extra characters and type the number manually. If you use email login, make sure you type the full email address with no typos. Check for common mistakes like con instead of com or missing letters in the domain. If you cannot receive the SMS code, wait 1 minute and request the code again. Make sure your phone can receive SMS messages and your inbox is not blocked or full. Check that you do not have Cash App texts muted or blocked in your messaging app. If you recently changed your number, try logging in with your email instead. If you recently changed your email, try logging in with your phone number instead. Open your email app and check spam, junk, and promotions folders for the login code. Search your inbox for Cash App and open the newest message to avoid expired codes. Ensure your device date and time are set to automatic to prevent code validation errors. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security blocks. Turn off battery saver or data saver mode because it may delay messages and emails. Check Cash App permissions and allow SMS and notifications if your phone asks. Clear Cash App cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload or delete Cash App and reinstall it to refresh the app data. Try logging in from a different network, like switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If you see something went wrong, wait a few minutes because servers may be busy. Verify you are using the official Cash App and not a cloned app from an unknown source. If the issue continues, tap Help, contact support, and describe the phone or email error exactly. Keep your account safe by never sharing your login code with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.